Chefs. My name is Lisa, and I'm with Executive Chef and Program Director Michael Hodgins. We're here at Rio, and we are going to be cooking up a tasty treat.
Cocktail de camarón.
Ooh, sounds delicious, and that's all coming up on Chef's menu. What's the dish we're making in English?
In English, it's Mexican shrimp cocktail.
You guys also do so much because it's all part of the Sustainable Food Systems program.
Yes, online courses. Students also come in for some cooking, for the organic gardening. We have a great organic garden out there, really fresh. It's so vibrant year-round.
And it's all about being sustainable, the buzzword I hear over and over again. So if you can clarify what that means.
Lisa, sustainability is super simple.
Yeah.
It's meeting the needs of the current generation without jeopardizing the future generations to meet their needs.
And this is fresh from the garden, that's sustainable.
This is EE Toy Onion. We picked it today. It's gonna go in our dish, really nutrient dense, gonna add a great flavor.
It looks like our shrimp is ready to go.
Poached, cooled, and peeled. Lisa, grab an avocado and a lime.
Well, I am impressed how easy this was to make.
That's as easy as it is to make cocktail de camarón. Perfect summertime dish.
It's delicious. I'm Lisa, and I'm going to enjoy. We'll see you next time on Chef's Menu.